Assalamualaikum. Here I just want to show you how you can auto calculate CQI from your Excel mark sheet. Okay, this is an example of your examination mark sheet in Excel. So you have all these marks, continuous assessment, as well as your EOP assessment, and you have the final marks. Okay. How you are going to do your auto calculation is, first you need to know what is your CLO. So this one I give an example of NS posting. So you have two CLO, CLO1 and CLO2. Next is you have to decide first or summarize first your assessment type for each CLO. For example, for CLO1, you have case presentation 10%, seminar 10%, CBD 10%, MTF 7.5%, OBA 7.5%, PBQ 15%, total 60%. And you have your CO2, which comprise of procedure 5%, OSCE 50%, and soft skill 5%. So total is 40%. So all the assessment, you have all this. Make sure all the assessment has the 100% component. If you give your presentation as 100%, then it's fine. Seminar 100%, case-based discussion 100%. But if you give your procedural skills as 5%, you need to have add another column, procedural skills as 100%. This is to make things less complicated. Similarly, soft skills, if you give your soft skills marks as 5%, you need to have a 100% mark next to it, so that is easier. So this one, you know how to calculate. You just add the formula next to the 5%. So similarly, remember just now you have MTF, you have 100% marks there, OBA 100%, and then you have PBQ marks as 100%. So this is important. Make sure all the assessment has 100% marks. So similarly, OSCE, you have the 100% marks here. So that's about all what is required. So make sure all this assessment has the 100% marks. So what you need to do now next is to make a table that comprise of all your CLO. So you put together your CLO1 here, all the assessment for CLO1, and then all the assessment for CLO2. And similarly, if you have CLO3 or CLO4. Okay, so for CL1, you have case presentation, seminar, CBD, MTF, OBA, PBQ, CL, and these are the total CL1. Okay, how you want to link your, when you key in the marks, how you want to link to this CQI. So this table is actually your CQI table. Okay. So this is your CQI table. So this is case presentation here. Case presentation here, you link, how to link. So case presentation, how to link these marks to this student, for example, Ahmad, right? Ahmad has case presentation and Ahmad got 68, for example. So this is the auto calculation. This is the auto calculation. So how to link your CQI, this one, Ahmad. See, automatically Ahmad's mark, when you put under case presentation, it comes out in the CQI column. Okay, how you should do it is, actually, so this is a formula. So you click on the case presentation on the CQI. So you type there equal to and click here under the column SK presentation for Ahmad and then enter. So automatically this cell is actually linked to this cell. Okay. So to make things easier, after you have linked the first cell to Ahmad's case presentation here, you just drag the formula. See the cross there at the bottom right of the cell. Just drag and all the formula will be linked. So this is F10, this is F11. So all the marks here will be linked to the CQI marks here. For example, if I put 67 there, you can see the marks comes out there. For example, you have Siti and you have Ali there. So you put 80, say 46. You can see the marks automatically filled in the column of CQI. And then, for example, so this is seminar. Seminar, you got 78, 45, 87. Okay, so automatically the CQI table is filled in. Okay, now we try to fill in. Okay, because all these cells already has formula, the one that actually Dr. Miat already actually do it for you. So you just fill in all the marks. The white column, it does not matter what color, is the one that actually you have to fill in. So I quickly fill in the marks here. That one, okay, 100%. 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, sorry, 9, 3, 4, 5, 8. This is like example of when we fill in the marks, right? Until so now we have already got the marks for the student. Okay, I think yep, 7. Okay, Konas, I think Konas probably, sorry. Soft skill we get 3, 4, wrongly put there, and then 4, 5, 6. Right. Okay. So you got the final marks there, right? So we have filled in all the slots or column in the marks table. So if you can see, the CQI automatically will calculate for Ahmad, Siti, and Ali. Okay, so you can see when you fill in your marks there in the examination marks table, you fill in everything. It is automatically linked to your CQI table that you have created. And you can see for Ahmad, the score for CL1 is 60.5. the score for CT is 59.3 and the score for Ali is 7. For CL2, the score is 68, 75, and 95. Right? So the basic concept is how to link your mark is, for example, this one, Ina's mark here, case presentation, you type equal, and then you just link to, I repeat again. Okay, this is Ina's mark, Ina. So Ina's mark here equal to, click on the case presentation column for Ina, and then press enter, right? So automatically, if Ina's marks is 80, then 80, then you can see it is automatically filled in. So press equal, show you, press equal, click on the column that you want the cell to link, click on the cell that you want the cells just now to link there, and press enter. So that's how you do it. So this is, for example, Ira's marks. When you put in Ira's mark here, 70, then you can see the Ira's mark is automatically filled in here under the CQI. Okay, I hope you can understand how to link your CQI marks to your original assessment mark by linking the cells of the CQI to the assessment mark. But first, you need to create your CQI table based on your CLO. Alright, any question, you can follow up with me. Thank you. Okay, when you have filled in all your marks there, and there is a column here, if you notice here. Okay, I'm going to explain this CQI table. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 assessment and this 1. So the total marks should be 600. So you just calculate auto sum here, auto sum. Yeah, you just drag there all the assessment and click on the auto sum. So you get the sum of all the assessment, and for all the for you to calculate all the students' marks, just drag this one, just drag down. Yeah. So that's basically just basic Excel calculation. So to get the percentage of achievement for CL1, you need to divide this total marks by 6. So this is the sum, this cell L30 over 600 times 100, you get the average marks for CL1. So basically that is just a mathematical calculation of the percentage of achievement for CL1 for all the students. That's all. Thank you. Actually, it's better for you to log all the formula and all the cells, but maybe to log all the cells and formula, we can make another video on that, or you can just look for video how to log Excel cells in YouTube. All right, thank you. Bye.